Hi, I'm Michelle, and today I'm sharing with you one of the best disc bulge exercises for relieving lower back pain associated with a lumbar spine or lower back disc bulge. First of all, we're going to go through the exercise, and then I'm going to show you some progressions on the exercise as your condition improves to help relieve that pain from the centre of your lower back, and also to pain that might be radiating from your back down through the back of your legs. So let's go through the extension exercises now to fix the disc bulge pain. Now, this disc bulge exercise involves lying on our tummies. Now, if you've got an acute disc bulge has just occurred, you might be thinking it's easier said than done lying on your tummy. You might need to start with a pillow or two pillows underneath your hips and your pelvis to actually lie prone to start this exercise. And I'll show you how to do that now. So coming onto the bed this way, then you put the pillow underneath your pelvis like this and bring your head down to one side and relax like this for 3 minutes. And what you should feel, if this exercise is appropriate for your back, is that the pain in your back eases, or the pain radiating down into your buttocks lessens. It's called centralisation of pain, and it moves back in towards the centre of your back and doesn't travel as far down your buttocks. The further the pain is travelling down the buttocks and the back of the legs, the worse the disc bulge is. So you'll find that pain should lessen as the disc bulge improves. Now, the other way to do this exercise, which is what I'd really like you to start out with, I'll put that up there, is to actually start lying in this position here. So this is your 3-minute test in this position. And once you've done that 3 minutes, then if you're able to roll over onto your side and come out of that position, just roll onto your side and just rest for a moment and just see how your back feels. Now, that's the first part of the exercise. Then to progress the exercise, this is what you do. So you're going to come back onto your tummy, and this time we're going to press up. So bring your forearms in close, keep your chin tucked with this exercise. And what you do is you just raise your chest and shoulders off the ground a little bit. Now, you might find there's a bit of resistance there or a bit of discomfort. You stop as soon as you feel that, and then you lower yourself back down. I like to breathe in first and breathe out with the extension. And what you'll find progressively is that you can move higher and higher. You're working towards doing 10 of these exercises in a row every couple of hours if you're able to. So lifting and lowering, I'll do one more of these just to demonstrate. Chin stays tucked, and you can see I'm just raising my chest off the ground or off the bed there and back down. Obviously you want to be doing these exercises on a firm mattress and down. Now here's the progression 3, the next progression. Bring your hands underneath your shoulders. Again, your chin stays tucked, and now you're starting to move further into extension if you can. This is a McKenzie extension exercise. Up into this position, you can see that my back is arching and back down. Breathing in and breathing out, extending back. Keep the chin tucked. And again, you might find, or you should find, that you can move progressively higher as your condition improves, and the pain will ease. You'll be able to move further into that extended position. So those are your prone lying down exercises. You can do those on a firm mattress, or you can do those on the ground if you're able to get on and off the ground. Now, there's one final progression, and this is a standing progression. Let's go through that exercise now. Now, the other progression on this extension exercise for a lumbar disc bulge is to do your extensions in standing. I like to bring my hips and pelvis up to something. You could use the kitchen bench or a desk perhaps, and with your arms resting down comfortably and just leaning backwards. And again, you'll find that first of all, you might be able to lean back a little way and then come back up into standing, and gradually start to lean back a little bit further. Again, keep your chin tucked. You don't want to lift up like that. We don't want to get a sore neck as well. Keep the chin tucked. Come back up into standing. Breathing in and breathing out, extend back. And let's do one more of those. Breathing in and extend back and coming back up. So I think you can see we've gone through 4 really nice progressions on these lower back disc bulge exercises to relieve lower back pain associated with a posterior disc bulge. Now, if you'd like more core exercises to progress these disc bulge exercises, stay with me now because they're coming up next. And I also too want to mention the importance of seeing a physiotherapist for all over rehabilitation, because this is just one of the exercises that we use. Physiotherapists use a range of techniques and exercises to rehabilitate your back after a disc bulge, so it's really important that you get comprehensive rehabilitation. Thanks so much for watching today. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it a like below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video coming up, which is core exercises for your lower back.